Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a Facebook page on the Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right corner. And then you want to go down and select the Pages button. If you don't see it, you have to select See More, and then select where it says Pages. You can select the Create button up here at the top, and then create either a personal or a public business page, and then you just would follow along with the on-screen prompts. Again, very straightforward process on how to do that, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.